Myself Sahil Patra of class 11 section B Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Kharagpur. Today my Python program is based on hotel management. The topic is hotel management. For hotel booking we mainly use the following things, that is booking, room info, payment, etc. So for booking, user have to give certain things, that is name, phone number, address, check-in date and check-out date. For room number and customer ID, here I have used random function. And room types, there are certain room types, prices are given here. For room number and customer ID I have given random function. Then this is my program for source code for booking. Now comes the room information. I simply print out the facilities given by the hotel for each room. And then come the restaurant functions, that is menu card and food items available in the hotel Akash Sarovar, that is the food item. Here to select any food item we don't have to write the name of the food item, rather than we have to give the number of the food item. Then we randomly select some of the food items that we want to take. Now comes the payment function. Here the 4 types of payment functions are there: credit, debit card, Paytm, Phone Pay, using UPI. Fourth one is cash. Here's the source code for the payment function. Now the comes for the keep the record. Here the each customer's record are stored here. So this was my source code. Now let's run the program. The program, first it's coming booking, room info, room service, payment, record, exit. 1 for booking, 2 for room information, 3 for room service, 4 for payment, 5 for record, 0 for exit. First I am going to room information. So I entered 2. These are the room information. For each room there are different facilities in each room. Again I am pressing 0 and now I am going to give 1. Entering 1. Name is Ramu Don. Then phone number I am entering. Then I am entering address. Then check-in date 27/01/2020. Checkout is 31/01/2020. These are the room type: standard non-AC, standard AC, standard 3-bed non-AC, 3-bed AC. Cost I am pressing here 0 for the cost. Here the cost of each rooms are available. I am giving number 4, that is 3-bed AC, 5000 per day. Now room number is 331 and customer ID is 19. I am again pressing 0. Then I am going to press 3. for the room service and menu card. So customer ID has been given while booking the room. So my customer ID is 1919. Enter. Here the menu cards appear. So I am randomly selecting some of the food items. One, here is veg pulao, that we don't have to give the name of the food item. Here we only have to give the number for every food items. So I have given some of the name, then I am entering 0. My total bill is 440 only for the food items. Now I am again pressing 0. I am going to give for payment. Phone number which I have entered while booking the room. So let me check what was the number I have given. Okay, I am just entering that number again. Mode of payment: credit, debit, payment phone pay, using UPI or cash. Sorry, it's not payment phone pay, it's Paytm. So my total is 20440. Payment for Akash Sarovar, Y for yes and no for no. So I am giving Y for yes. My total bill is of 20,440. 20,000 for the room, and restaurant charge cost 440 rupees. Then I am again pressing here 0 to get the record of the. Now to get the record of the customer, I am entering 5. So name of the customer is Ramu Dhawan. Phone number Kharagpur, address, check-in date, check-out date, room type, and cost of the room per day. It's not for a whole day. It's only for the per day. So yes, I am entering 0 and I am exiting. Thank you and have a nice day.